Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gretchen. This is Beautiful Mess. We are going to be talking about some Mother's Day gift ideas. So if you didn't know, Mother's Day is right around the corner, May 12th. Now you know if you didn't, and if you need some ideas, I hope that this video gives you some ideas for Mother's Day for your mom. So I am really excited because this video is in collaboration with Authentically Sherrell, and I have gotten to know her through starting this YouTube journey. She is such a sweet person. She is a mama of two. She is super motivating, so kind, and I just love her personality, which was what drew me to her channel when I first came across it. You can just tell she loves life. She does DIYs, cleaning videos, and motivational videos on her channel. So definitely go check her out. She is doing DIYs for Mother's Day and really inexpensive ways to celebrate mom. If you're going to her channel, tell her that I sent you. And if you're coming from her channel, I just want to say hi, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. I hope that you decide to stick around and click that red subscribe button and just be here for future videos. With all that being said, let's go ahead and jump right in. My first idea sounds a little bit standard, but it is your typical flowers, chocolates, a card. Now, I like to put a little bit more detail and a little bit more thoughtfulness when it goes into getting a card. So I love getting these cards off of Shutterfly, and you can download whatever pictures that you want. This is just an example. This was a Father's Day card that I did for my husband a few years back, and they're really inexpensive, custom made, so it's even more special. You can do pictures of you and your mom. If you have kids, then they have ones for grandma. So this is such a thoughtful way to give your mother a card for Mother's Day. I know my mom loves when I do one of these and she gets them for Mother's Day and for her birthday. She absolutely loves these. So I'll have that linked below for you guys. A card, flowers, chocolates. Now, get them their favorite chocolates. Don't just get them any chocolates. My mom loves, she is pricey when it comes to her chocolates. She loves the Norman Love chocolates. But when it's an occasion like Mother's Day or her birthday, we get her favorite chocolates. If that is something that you think your mom would like, flowers, a card, and chocolate is a great idea and a very thoughtful idea for Mother's Day. Also, if you want to take it one step further, you can put a gift card in your card for your mom. You can do a gift card to her favorite restaurant. You could do a gift card to maybe her favorite nail salon and just give her that also as a gift. If not, go with the flowers, go with the chocolate, go with the thoughtful card, and I am sure that your mom is going to appreciate that very much. Now, if your mom is the self-care and pamper kind of mom, which my mom is not, but I am. I love to have things for an at-home kind of like spa experience. So if your mom is that kind of mom that she likes to be pampered and she likes to self-care with spa stuff, then probably doing a spa gift basket would be a great idea. You could do bath bombs, you could do candles, Epsom salts, bubble bath. If you really want to go all out, you can add a bath tray, you can add a bath pillow, you could add foot scrubs. I mean, really go all out, and your mom deserves it. If you want to pamper her, go all out and pamper her. Now, I have a friend that she makes her own bath bombs, and she goes by LIZZY'S, FIZZIES, and I absolutely love her bath bombs. They are gorgeous. Look at these. So beautiful. They smell amazing. I still haven't used these, but I got a bunch for my birthday, and they are awesome, and she will ship them to you. I will link her information below if you want to check her out and order some for your mom. These are just so amazing, and they are organic, and they are all natural. They are just top quality bath bombs. Another really thoughtful idea, I think, is doing a canvas of your family for your mom. I've gotten quite a few canvases from Canvas on Demand, and they always seem to have really great deals. I haven't looked to see what they have right now, but I will link the website in the description box below. You can do a picture of your family for your mom. You can do a picture, if you have a picture of yourself and your mom, or your siblings and your mom. Whatever you want to do that you know your mom will love. I mean, these canvases are absolutely beautiful, and you can find some amazing deals. So I'm sure for Mother's Day they'll probably have something. I don't know of anything yet, but like I said, I will link that information in the description box below so you can check them out. But if you have been thinking about buying a canvas, Canvas on Demand is definitely top quality for getting a canvas, and I think this is a great gift for mom, and it is very thoughtful, and I think any mom or grandma would love this. Now, if your mom is not the type that likes flowers, and your mom is not the type that likes to be pampered or like spa treatments or things like that, and your mom is tech savvy, then she probably would like something like a robot vacuum. Now, this is something that is more expensive, but if you have siblings, you guys can probably pitch in and just split it up between your siblings. But that's an idea. I know that that was something that I really wanted for Christmas, and I think any mom would really like that. But again, you have to know your mom. If your mom is tech savvy and you know that that's something she would like. Also, the Nest thermostat I've heard is amazing, and I think would be an amazing idea for a tech savvy mom. And I know it's pricey, but again, if you are able to chip in with siblings and you think that's something that your mom would like, go for it. I'm sure she would be thankful for that. This goes with being thoughtful as far as pictures, but if your mom is tech savvy, she might enjoy this, and it is a digital photo album. They are so pretty, and you can put them up on any surface, and you can just upload tons of pictures on them. And I think that is such a great idea for a mom who likes to have pictures of her family, of her kids, of her grandkids. I think that is a really neat idea for a tech savvy mom. This is not so much tech savvy, but I recently got this for my birthday. And this massager is absolutely amazing. I would recommend it to anybody. Massages are also really great. If your mom doesn't like to do the whole spa treatment, self-pamper kind of thing, and she likes to go and get a massage, which I mean, I like to do both. I love to have the spa treatment, you know, things at home. And every once in a while when it's a special occasion, if I can go get a massage, I'm not going to turn it down. I love myself a good massage. So if your mom loves getting pampered like that and she loves massages, then maybe you can go in with your siblings to do this. You can also find on Groupon, you can find really good deals for massages in your local area. Just look up the reviews and see, you know, what other people say about it. But you can find really good experiences on Groupon also for that. So if your mom is the type of person that she likes to be pampered and go get massages, then maybe that's a great idea to, you know, do something like that for your mom. If not, if your mom has never gotten one before, you may not want to send her on Mother's Day. Could be a little awkward. Some people don't like it. It could be a little bit weird. But if she does, then that is a great idea. If your mom is a coffee lover and she needs a really good coffee maker, I have heard amazing things about the Ninja coffee maker. Maybe I'm throwing some hints out there, but I could sure use a new coffee maker. And if your mom is a coffee lover and you can get her a Ninja coffee maker, then by all means go for it. If your mom is a coffee lover and you can't get a coffee maker like that, that's fine. If you can get some coffee syrups that are high quality, you can find, that is something that coffee loving mom would love. High quality coffee syrups or even a cold brew coffee maker. If that's something that you think your coffee loving mom would love, then that is something that is also a good idea. That is it for my ideas. I know that some of them were a little bit pricey. If you are going for the more inexpensive route and that's what you can do, it is the thought that counts. It is, you know, the thought that you put into it for your mom. At the end of the day, moms just want to be appreciated and known that they are loved and just thought of on this special day. So if you're getting your mom flowers and a card or adding a gift card to it, whatever you can do, just take some time to put some thoughtfulness into it for your mom, and I know that they are going to appreciate it no matter what. They just want to be appreciated. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys were able to get some ideas from it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go in the description box and go check out SHERRELL'S channel. Check her out. Check out her video. If you like to do DIYs, you'll probably get some great ideas for DIYs for Mother's Day gifts. So go check her out. Remember to tell her that I sent you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care and God bless. Bye.